Hello everybody! How are you today? Are you happy and ready to start learning together with Blanca? Let me see your little hands. Two little hands are waving hello to you. Two little hands get ready to start to sign and sing with you. Two little hands describe what you see and sing together with me. It's time to play and learn together to dream big. Two little hands are waving hello to you. Two little hands get ready to start to sign and sing with you. Hello once again, I'm so happy to see every single one of you. I cannot wait to start this lesson together with you so we can have so much fun. Are you ready for a lot of singing and a lot of signing with Blanca? Yes, let's get all together, nice and close. La 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 la. Na 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 la 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 la. Oh, choo choo choo. Do you know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man? Do you know the Muffin Man who lives on truly rain? La 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 la. Achoo! Oh, hello everybody, it's Eddie. Oh, I'm glad you came. I am baking a cake today and I need some help from you. Are you ready to start? I'm gonna show you what I've prepared for today's lesson. Are you ready? Are you all there? Are you going to say hello to Eddie? Hello Eddie. Hello Eddie. Ha 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 ha. I hope you are ready to start. Look, I've got lots of ingredients to make my cake. Eddie. Oh, it's Blanca. I've forgotten to call her. I'm right here. Eddie. Oh, Eddie, you started the lesson without me. I'm sorry, I was so excited to bake my cake and I've forgotten to call you. Oh, it's okay, Eddie. So what are you doing? You are baking a cake? With all of you children? Yes, we've decided to bake a cake and I'm gonna teach everybody how to bake a cake. Oh, that's a great idea, but do you know how to bake a cake? Oh, yes, I have everything ready. Wow, so if you are ready, I'm ready too. And how about you children? Are you ready to bake a cake with Eddie and Blanca? Let me hear you. Yes, what do you say? Yes. Okay, well, Eddie, show me what you've got. Oh, I've got some milk. Milk. Okay, I've got a little egg. Okay, you've got egg. And what else do you need to bake a cake? The most important ingredient. A flour, of course. I've got plenty of flour right here, everybody. Oh, yes, Eddie, I can tell you've got lots of flour on your nose too. So now you are ready to bake? Oh yes, I need to mix all of my ingredients. I mix them, and then my cake will be ready. Okay, but you have to bake a cake in the oven. That's right. I'm gonna ask you to help me, because I need the help of an adult to help me with the oven. That's right. If you have to put the cake in the oven, you have to ask an adult to help you. So can I give you a hand in order to place all the ingredients into your bowl? Yes, please. Are you ready, children? Let's see what Eddie prepared. So, Eddie prepared some flour. You need a flour to bake a cake. Flour. Good job. So you put a little bit of flour. There you go. You also need an egg. Yes, you need 1 small egg for the recipe. Egg. Look, Eddie's got one ready to go inside the bowl. And also you need milk. That's right, you need to put milk inside your bowl and then you mix all the ingredients together. This is called baking. Yes, we are baking a cake today. Okay, everybody, now it's time to sing with Blanca. This song is called Pate Cake. Are you ready? You need to help me. Let's start. Pate cake, baker's man. Bake me a cake as fast as you can. Pat it and roll it and mark it with a B. Put it in the oven for baby and me. For baby and me. Yes. Are you ready? Pate cake, baker's man. Bake me a cake as fast as you can. Pat it and roll it and mark it with a B. Put it in the oven for baby and me. Yes, for baby and me. We all love cakes. Pate cake, baker's man. Bake me a cake as fast as you can. Pat it and roll it and mark it with a B. Put it in the oven for baby and me. Put it in the oven for baby and me. For baby and for me. Great job. Yummy, yummy in my tummy. I hope your cakes are nearly ready. I'm gonna wait for mine and then I'm gonna enjoy my cake so much. Thank you very much for this delicious lesson. Big bravo! Such a great job. Well done to every single one of you for your fantastic learning and great effort today. Now it's time to sing our goodbye song. I hope you are ready to sing with me. But I cannot hear any music. Yes, we are waiting for some music. You're right. Are you ready? It's the time to say goodbye, say goodbye, say goodbye. It's the time to say goodbye. I'll see you again. It's the time to say goodbye, say goodbye, say goodbye. It's the time to say goodbye. I'll see you again. Bye bye everybody. Thank you very much for coming and I cannot wait to see you again. Bye for now.